Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima and I'm back with the second video of today. This video is going to be totally dedicated to Lo So Natural. She is the reason why I purchased this fragrance. She is the reason why I got back into my layering combos. She is just the GOAT. If y'all not familiar with her channel, I will link it below and scroll her name across the screen. Please go subscribe to her because she is pushing out all the body care, all the black owned businesses, all of the things body care for the black girls. Okay. So yes, she recently did a haul video on two fragrances from Aroma Concepts. It was one in particular that caught my eye and caught my attention because I was intrigued by the pineapple note in the fragrance. But my thing is, I'm getting more into like the fruitier, fresh scents per se. I just feel like now since I do have a man, um, I'm thinking more of what I think he will like to smell on me because I know if he's cuddling up on me, he don't want me smelling like a dude. Okay, so I want to go more into the more feminine fragrances, but still have a little razzle dazzle to it. So this is why I picked this fragrance. So to see the fragrance that I'm talking about, keep on watching. This is also my first time ordering from Aroma Concepts. The shipping didn't take too bad. Today is Friday. I think I ordered this fragrance maybe Saturday or Sunday. So 5 to 6 business days is not bad. Um, so yeah, so let's go ahead and do this unboxing. And also, let me know how y'all feel about the microphone quality. I just feel like my phone has great speaker quality, and I believe I talk clear, and my sound doesn't sound muffled. I feel like with the mic, it'd be a little fake. But anyway, so here's the box. Like I said, I just ordered one of the fragrances. So let's get into her right now. Even I feel like with the mic, I have to talk kind of like lower, so it won't be too loud. So yes, yes, I am so excited. And again, this is a blind box. I do not know what this thing smells like, but Lauren, you usually don't steer me wrong. So y'all, so here is the fragrance. This is Nouf. This is from Paris Corner. So Paris Corner's Nouf. Y'all, it be the packaging for me every time. So it does have the authentication sticker on the back. So y'all, let's hurry up and get into it. And first of all, let me get the notes. Okay, so for Paris Corner's Nouf, the notes are the top notes: pineapple, bergamot, grapefruit. The middle note is white cedar, jasmine, and patchouli. The base note is woody notes and oak moss. Now, I am definitely a bergamot, patchouli, woodsy girl, right? Um, I'm still learning fragrances. I'm still learning which notes project more than others. I have learned that if the patchouli is in there, the longevity is going to be a thing. Um, I don't know about the fruity part, and I think that's why I never gravitated to fruity fragrances because the fruit doesn't last on me. But y'all, I just recorded a video of the Bath and Body Works fragrances, and I am still smelling them on my skin. I should have never sprayed them, but that's a good thing. So to see the two fragrances that I'm sniffing, go ahead and go watch that video. I will link it up top and I will link it at the bottom. So okay, anyway, we here because we are getting ready to unbox Nouf and get our sniff on for the first time because I'm so excited. I can't wait. I already know what the bottle and everything look like because again, I saw Lauren's video, but let's pull her straight out the box. Ooh, she is freaking gorgeous, y'all. Look at the little tassel. So she will definitely look cute on my shelf. The bottle is heavy as hell. It definitely has some weight to it. It is glass. Y'all, she is so freaking pretty. Yeah, the cap is a little flimsy, but the bottle, the bottle, is freaking gorgeous. All right, Paris Corner. Let's see what it do. This is my second Paris Corner fragrance. The other one I purchased is the KR pistachio, KR, whatever pistachio. If y'all haven't watched that video, I will also link that below. Go check it out. All right, y'all. So we about to go ahead and spray Nouf. I'm gonna go ahead and spray her in this box as we do. All right. Atomize are good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So the first initial spray, I definitely smell pineapple. I will also link Lauren's video below so y'all can get a more in-depth vibe of the scent, and that's the reason why I purchased it, because this is definitely giving grown brunch, summer, spring, and that's another reason why I wanted it, because I needed a new summer fragrance for my collection. Yes, she good. She's really, really good. Oh my goodness, I have to spray her on this hand. It's nothing on this hand. Yeah, I had to spray her on this hand because, ooh, yes, yes. The initial smell, I definitely smell the pineapple. I smell the grapefruit. I see why it has that the woody notes and the oak moss. This smell good, y'all. This is like grown woman, summertime fresh. They're gonna ask you what you wearing. You definitely gonna turn some heads. Y'all, this smells so good because on Aroma Concepts website, they call it Nouf pineapple fruity scent. And that's exactly what it smells like. But it's a grown pineapple and it's a grown fruity. It's not childish at all. Oh my God. Y'all, this smells good. And it's under $30. It's $27.99. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Lauren, girl, yes ma'am. I'm going to send you a couple of other fragrances I need you to give me your thoughts on, because she nails it every time. Oh my God, y'all, this smells so freaking good. This is so beautiful. It's very feminine. Oh, she good. Now I hope this longevity is there. Oh my God, this smells so good. Oh, I am so happy that I purchased her. So I'm meeting up with Shauna and Tasha on Sunday for brunch. And I'm going to bring her for them to smell it, because she is worth the sniff. What's wrong with my little tassel? Why I look all crazy? But anyway, y'all. Oh, if y'all looking for a fruity, pineapple, grown, sexy, seductive, you can wear it in the summertime, day or night, brunch, club, cookout, date night. Oh, please, y'all. It's only $27.99. I will leave the link below. Definitely try Nouf by Paris Corner. I can't stop smelling myself. Ah, so good. Do y'all see the oil on my skin? This is Nouf on my hand. This has nothing on it. This is Nouf. Y'all see that shine? That means it's oil based. So that means this fragrance is going to last. That means it's going to get projection. That means this is going to give beast mode. Okay? Look at that. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, girl. Okay, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I helped you in any way of purchasing Nouf, let me know. Leave some comments below. Tag me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you like. Lauren, shout out to you, sis. You the goat. You already know. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.